Hello, this is the reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by ITP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Guneet Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111152 and the name of the candidate is Simranjeet Kaur.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your full name?
My name is Simranjeet Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can address me by my first name Simran.
Okay. Do you like your name?
Yes, of course I like my name because it is given by my parents.
Okay. Do you like to change your name in the future?
No, I don't like to change my name in the future because it is beautiful name and it is also provide my parents.
Okay. Do you study or do you work?
I do study. And I plan to go abroad for my higher education.
Okay. What is your study stream?
I recently passed my senior secondary education from Mashivada in arts stream, and I got 80% marks in this stream.
Okay. Why did you choose that subject?
Because I have keen interest in this subject, and I also have many knowledge about this subject, and I can achieve more good marks in this stream.
Okay. Would you like to continue your future in the same field or you want to change it?
Yes, of course. No, I don't. No, I don't change my field in the future because I have perfect in this field.
Okay. Now let's talk about gardens. Do you like to visit gardens?
Yes, of course I like visit to garden because when I visit there, and I also feel relax and peace of mind, and I also can do study to sit there with an easy way without any disturbance.
Okay. What activities do you perform there for relaxation?
Well, there are lots of activities for increase relaxation, such as listen to music, playing any games, and reading books.
Okay. Do you think that gardens are the best place to spend the time with family and friends?
Yes, of course. I think garden is a good place for spending a good time with their family members because when people go there and they can easily spend their time with their family. When people visit there and they do many activities there, such as playing any games and read to books there.
Okay. Who visits the garden the most? Children or the adult?
I think both. I think both are visit there in their daily life because they have because they want to go there for their relaxation and also spending time with their friends. More children and adults go there, and that time they spend their more time with their friends and also share their problems with them.
Okay. Is there any garden near to your house?
Yes, of course. Garden is one garden is available in my hometown, and it is nearby my home, and I visit there daily in at morning for morning walk, and I visit there with my fathers.
Okay. So this is the end of part 1. Now it's time for your part 2, in which you will be given a cue card with some set of questions, and you will have 1 minute to prepare on that topic, and then rest of the 2 minutes will be given to speak on it. Okay, so this is your cue card. Describe an art and craft activity that you had in your school. You can use the paper and the pen. Now your time starts now. Shall we start?
Well, art and crafts are essential part in everyone's life because they relate us our tradition and cultures. But here I would like to talk about a time when I did activity in my school time when I was in 12th standard, and I participated in art and international competition. I participated with my friends Harpreet in this competition. We were representing our school, and this competition this competition was in my school at a district level. Well, I decided to made a painting related to say no to drugs, because which was good meaning, and I also did motivated to every person, because my friends painting my friends draw a large injection in this painting in the right side, because many people which has to drugs to people, and and the left side I draw the people which is killing a injection, and they have a dangerous for them. And then the top of the painting I draw a heading with heading, and the heading was a say no to drugs. And when I after that I completed my painting, and after that my teachers declared the result, and we were happy because I have got a second prize in this competition, and I also sharing my happy with the dance on this stage, and we were clapping for me. So that time I felt very comfortable and relaxed, because it was good experience for me. And so that time I did this activity in my school time.
Okay, so this is the end of your part 2. Can I get the booklet back?
Yes.
Okay, now I will ask you some questions for your part 3. What kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer in your country for a student?
Schools are provide many activities for students in my hometown, such as related to art and crafts, and playing any games, but mostly in my country's children prefer to art and craft, because when they did this activity, and when they do this activity, and they can easily spend their leisure time, and also achieve any knowledge about these activities.
Okay, do you think that these kind of activities should be improved?
Yes, of course. Many activities should be improved in my countries, in schools, related to playing games such as swimming, trekking, and so on, because there are no any playground and any swimming pool for these activities.
Okay. Do you think that any kind of skill has been improved by your school?
Yes, many skills are improved by schools, such as playing games and confidence level and communication level. Because when children go their school, and so they can achieve their many skills and improve their communication skills and increase their confidence level. Because when they go to outside and talk to with the new people, and they can easily talk with them, and they do not feel shy at that time.
Okay. Is learning arts or drama should be encouraged in the students?
Uh, yes, of course, children should learn arts and dramas in their daily in their life. Because when they do this learn activities, and they can also improve their other skills, and also gain their many knowledge about these activities.
Okay. Is it the duty of the parents or the teachers to teach these kind of skills to the children?
I think both are important for learn their activity to children. Because when children learn these activities to their children, and they can easily achieve knowledge, and can do more concentrate on their work. Because they have more fraud to their children. But when they learn this activity from their parents, and they cannot achieve any knowledge. Because their parents have no more knowledge about these activities, and so they cannot achieve more knowledge.
Okay, so this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you.